Wadiki jomo kene ta kubiyo ka kamadalo te kandogo ye kani dalo yondo yen ki kete. Yen pini kete le no program pa wakting. Ila yode boye. Parliament County oye. Waduogo nek moro I parliament pete no ngo. Waduogo nek I parliament pete no ngapol. Me achiel do logo manen. Do logo mati visible. Tangible and visible. Do logo manen. Parliament SS tie. Parliament SS tie. One ukaropen. Kaya mbele mogo yimatala bolkui mogo ni MP ni mayamu gamukui ni gau kelo dolo me Oriat upgrading from Health Center 3 to Health Center 4. Oriat connect Hillary and Post. Jomai mabiro ko piemune ke piempingo kachenga tomo de tika delivering tika providing tika mione yendo ke pio ka geo do ko pingo Madipei SS Patibe SS Palape SS Pagada Bridge. It is not achievements. I think women your area achievements. President Museveni achievements. Kaguta achievements. President Kaguta achievements. Roads Tima Kome. Education Tima Bay. Teachers are being paid. More especially geometrical sciences. Gitika no mababa mbona dindogo. Mapake eno infrastructure. Mapake eno level of education. Yoroko ma area health sector. Mapake eno msema tunajima Paul. Peace in the region. Peace, stability in the region and the entire country, Uganda. Without peace, you cannot stand here. Nabo kuch impedwe bini chumelo program nini kunai corona. Bolo kui kinyi onek, dong jeka kenyu. Bolo kui kinyi onek. Bolo kwiki Hillary Nongdong jeka kenyu. Bolo kwiki Hillary. Bolo kwiki dolobo Nongdong jeka kenyu. Dan bolo kwiki Parliament County. I better will. Come yo tal con la tema ile la lele mara que era la not the one level of your cup. You know, people making a deal, join the deal, get the war. Yo, Shana, I buy you, don't do the pack. Who don't, who kill, who keep, hey, who kill, hey, you don't do the pack, you can't walk a life. Make it a journey, make it a life. You never are to be yours. La tienda choba ni to dure ni pa we kan wo kan dai kau kan wo ma program ile ba ni dau ko ni chur ko na yilla tienda choba ni chui ni to dure ni pa ya kan wo ma ji ni be ya kan la ko ni ko ai ya ne ka do bolo kwigi Hillary no don ke ka kenyu. Bolo kwigi Nyune Suadil Kai Guero net Nei Guero cabinet osegwengo tiengi gimero bedo MP pia eno nek dong meri cabinet kamede gimiyo tamge gamende wa itielo onek dong pebeyo wako ya bitielo kachoke mone kemba ke yugo wa itielo nene dong jebe ne timuzuri yen penge lo machien yen penge lo yo ero wabedo onge obey awiyo ya Liverpool the Man City la wugo marmite Arsenal Kalabe County oye Onegilari oye I now take this opportunity to invite himself our only one and only Honorable Minister Hilary Oneko Balukewe Pajera Gowe Sir.